Hi math lovers, what is your answer if you solve this exponential equation? Write in comments please. Let's see if you will get the same thing. I will solve it now and show you the correct answer. We have here 2 to the power of x, another power of 2, divided by 2 to the power of x equals to 64. The way I will solve this, as you remember, we have this formula, a to the power of n divided by a to the power of m equals to a to the power of n minus m. This is famous algebraic formula we're going to use now. So in this case, we have 2 as an a. Instead of dividing these exponents, we have to subtract. We can write down 2 to the power of x squared minus x equals to, and 64 is 2 to the power of 6. If you multiply 2 by itself 6 times, you will get 64. So we made both sides same basis. That's the important part of algebra. If you can solve and make them same basis. So you can solve the exponents. If bases are equal, exponents are also equal to each other. Equals to 6. If we have x squared minus x, let's bring 6 to this side, minus 6 equals to 0. This is quadratic equation. And instead of solving with the discriminant and long way, I will show you very short and easy way to solve and find the value of x's. Here we have minus x, that means there is 1 in front of it. Usually we don't write 1. And let's think about which two numbers, if you multiply together, you will get negative 6, and same numbers you add together, you will get negative 1. Those numbers are x minus 3 and x plus 2. Now let me show you. If I multiply negative 3 with positive 2, I will get negative 6. If I add them together, minus 3 plus 2 will be equal to negative 1. This is one of the ways to solve the quadratic equation, easy way. So now if we have two terms multiplied together and the product equals to 0, that means x minus 3 can be equal 0, or x plus 2 can be equal to 0. Now we will take 3 to the other side. X equals to, if 3 comes to this side, it will change the sign and become positive 3. And here, x equals to, if 2 comes to this side, will become negative 2. So the answers for this equation, for x equals to 3 and x equals to negative 2. We are writing these answers this way. Inside the parentheses, the smaller one in front and the bigger one at the end. So we have this answer here. A is the correct answer. We can check if we plug these numbers here, we will get the same answer. Let's do this together. Let's do check here. If instead of x, let's plug 3. 2 to the power of 3, another power of 2, divided by 2 to the power of, we are doing 3 first, right? 3 equals to, this will be 3 times 2, we multiply this, we count the square of this 3. We don't multiply. If we have parentheses, we will multiply. This will be 2 to the power of 9. And on the bottom, it will be 2 to the power of 3. Now we will make it one base. Remember, if we divide here, this formula we will use. We can subtract 9 minus 3, which is equal to 2 to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 6 equals to 64. So we prove that this answer satisfies. If we plug, we will get 64. Now let's do negative 2 instead of x. 2 to the power of negative 2 squared. We are doing parentheses because if we don't put the parentheses, we cannot count this negative sign. Over 2 to the power of negative 2 equals to negative 2 squared is 4. We will write down 2 to the power of 4 divided 2 to the power of negative 2 equals, again we will use this formula. Instead of we divide, we can subtract the exponents. 2 to the power of 4 minus, we have minus 2, so we will write down this inside the parentheses, equals to 2 to the power of 4. This will become minus, parenthesis minus, becomes plus 2, which is equal to 2 to the power of 6. Again, this is equal to 64. So the both answers we found can be solutions for this equation. Thank you for following. Please comment, like, and subscribe.